दादागिरी नहीं चलेगा. केंद्रेची दादागिरी अनका नक्का. If I come to Goa, they deface my posters. अरे भाई आप डिफेस कर लो. करते करते कब आप डिफेस हो जाओगे इंडिया से, कब आपको पता चलेगा. I believe secularism. I believe unity. I believe India is our motherland. If Bengal is my motherland, if Goa is also my motherland.
Didi is a street fighter, and we need this governance in Goa because we have seen lots in the last 5 years.
Our promise, we will empower the women. I am not outsider. I am not going to be the chief minister of Goa.
The Trinamool Congress is that party which is of the Goan, for the Goan, by the Goan, which is giving hope to the people of Goa to fight the BJP because it has got the will and the resolve to take on BJP.
We want to give you full protection for your cultural heritage and keep your culture high, keep your head high so that nobody can touch you.